will promise you the world and steal everything from you. The scam never ends. Some say it's a cult and others say just a belief. At the end of the day, it's all a scam. These people are thieves.
Islam, this is Light Tajiri Bay, Moorish American Consulate, and Moorish National Republic Federal Government.
Welcome to Sovereign Suicide Guru Wars on facts or frauds. Turn on their own friends for money, always at odds. Canceling all contracts is what they teach every time. Won't tell you what they're selling is all a lie.
You become a secure party program in 12 weeks, and I also have an express program.
All types of gurus for you to try your luck. Don't expect them to help you cause you're stuck. This is Sovereign Citizen Guru Wars on facts or frauds. Scamming people for money. Now they're at odds. Welcome to Sovereign Citizen Guru Wars on facts or frauds.
See, you don't know law. I do.
So since
So
you
now
know
you're gonna
law,
tell me about something
so since
that I
you
spent
know
50 years
law,
being an
wait,
expert in.
hold on.
Yeah. Hey, peace, facts, and frauds. You know, I would personally appreciate if you'd be willing to translate, because I'm not familiar with that language, but it looks very it looks beautiful, to be quite honest.
Are you scared?
And welcome to Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, you're subscribed, and ring that bell. Now, on to the Guru Wars with Miss Anna von Reitz. Or is it Anna Reizinger? Or is it Judge Anna? You know, could you help us out on this, Anna?
Good morning, campers. Judge Anna here.
Yeah, you're not a judge. But anyway, the IRS caught up with you, Anna. You owe them a lot of money. There's the lien. See that? Yes, they placed a lien on you. Over $1 million of a lien. But that's not all, Anna. No. The court also issued an order of sale for your property in Wisconsin. And they're not done yet. Just read this order for sale, yeah? They're not playing around, it's the IRS, Anna. See that? Oh, what about that wedding signature from a judge? You want that? Yeah. Okay, let's get to that part. There's the signature from the judge. Property's up for sale. And what is your reply? It's not you? Anna, this isn't gonna work for the IRS. They mean business, Anna. Here's the auction. Right now it's canceled. Why? Because the government shut down, Anna. Right now it's canceled. However, ta-da! The auctions are only canceled due to that government shutdown. Once it opens, The auctions are going to be rescheduled. See you then.
You big cold-blooded dummy.
And how about a word from one of her former followers?
Anna Von Reitz, you claim to be the fiduciary of the real United States of America. You have collected damages that you have told people trusting you that you say is money belonging to them. My understanding is they even have balances and vaults set up by you and your administration in their names with recurring monthly installments. Explain to me so I'll understand 5,000.00 per month pure gold. A few questions many of your constituents have. First, you preach freedom yet clearly show you are assuming the role of dictator. You pick where the so-called gold goes and give those whom you say the gold belongs to no option. Then you tell them they cannot have their money, it has to go to a corporate bank of your choosing. Again, they have no say in the matter. Again, dictating what is supposed to be theirs. Why is this gold not being sent to the location of their choice? This is no more than a sick form of torture and control over these blind followers. I have read and listened to the false hopes given to these people. And it is time to tell them the truth, starting with your bank who claims to be open, yet your followers still cannot access what you say belongs to them, clearly a lie. Next, they can deposit the money they have now for a one-to-one exchange until the bank you have chosen decides it will release what you call American Federation dollars. What kind of interest rate are people getting for the one-to-one exchange? That may never happen. This has big scam written all over it. You are coming very close to seeing everything you have tried to build come crashing down upon you for failing what you preach, love and kindness. In your talk of 1700s law, this behavior would have you at the end of a rope. Fix this nightmare you have created by being honest and open with so many who are quickly losing any trust they had for you. You are not above any laws, not even those you try and invent. Practice what you preach. The actions of a dictatorship are very easy to discover. IRS has sent sheriffs to her home in Alaska to evict this fraud. The global family bank, like this woman, are sellers of snake oil. You folks following these thieves have been doused in snake oil. Both Anna and GLFB are guilty of larceny and theft. A class action suit should be started immediately and criminal charges brought against all those aiding these criminals. The next visit she gets will be to serve arrest warrants. Her and the fraudulent global family bank con artist. I am only telling you about what I have read about the frauds in Africa. These gold credits, or whatever they are calling it, is a BS scam, and any idiot sending these fraudsters money have the brains of a 4-year-old. Perhaps as they are all being arrested, then those loyal will realize they have been hoodwinked.
You big dummy.
And thanks for hanging out with us on Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, you're subscribed, and ring that bell. Also, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. And a major thank you to every one of our Facts or Frauds channel members. If you'd like to become a member, just hit that join button right next to subscribe or click on the link in the description. Now, if you're still hanging out, thank you. I appreciate you all. Why not hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And also, comment in the comment section, tell me what you think. Until next time, I'll see you soon.